How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly transfer your Bitcoin from your Cash App. You have the ability to promptly transfer Bitcoin to any cash tag or another Lightning compatible wallet at no cost using Cash App. To send Bitcoin to any cash tag, also known as peer-to-peer P2P transaction, follow these steps. First of all, you have to go to the Cash App payment path, toggle to the USD and choose BTC, input a minimum of $1 and click Pay. Locate the recipient's cash tag, current phone number, or email address and click Pay. Additionally, you can send Bitcoin through Lightning or the Bitcoin network by following these steps. Access the Money tab on your Cash App home screen first, and then select the Bitcoin tile. Click the airplane mode, choose Send Bitcoin, enter the amount and the recipient's cash tag or BTC address. Click Next, choose a speed, click Confirm and Send. Sending Bitcoin from a primary payments path, you can also send Bitcoin from your Bitcoin balance in the Bitcoin tab. When sending Bitcoin, keep in mind the following limits. It is advisable to review your limits and monitor your limit progression regularly. You can check your weekly and monthly limits within the app by clicking on the profile icon, then selecting Limits. Limits are rolling and accumulate over any consecutive 7-day and 30-day periods. Limits are tracked down to the exact minute a payment is made. When sending a Bitcoin, there are no fees or tax implications for gifting stock or Bitcoin. You are essentially sending the USD designated for a specific stock or Bitcoin. Remember that the Bitcoin can only be sent to recipients who are 18 years or older. For further information on Bitcoin, you can visit the Bitcoin Help Center page. So this was all about how can you transfer Bitcoin from the Cash App. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.